Algorithms are silently shaping your reality right now. That notification you just received, the route you took to work this morning, the products you see when shopping online, and even the news you read, all determined by algorithms. An algorithm is fundamentally a set of instructions designed to perform a specific task or solve a particular problem. Think of it as a recipe with precise steps that, when followed correctly, produces a predictable outcome. While the concept may sound modern, algorithms have existed for millennia. Ancient Babylonian clay tablets from 1800 BCE contain algorithmic instructions for solving mathematical problems. The term algorithm itself derives from the name of Persian mathematician Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi, who documented algebraic methods in the 9th century. For centuries, algorithms remained primarily mathematical tools, but everything changed with the advent of computers. These machines could execute algorithmic instructions at unprecedented speeds, transforming algorithms from academic concepts into practical tools that power our digital world. Today, algorithms have transcended their mathematical origins to become the backbone of digital society. They determine what content appears in your social media feed based on your past behavior, preferences, and the platform's objectives. When you stream music or videos, recommendation algorithms analyze your listening or viewing history to suggest content you might enjoy next. Search engines employ complex algorithms to determine which results appear when you type a query. These algorithms consider hundreds of factors, including relevance, popularity, and even your personal search history. Financial institutions use algorithms to assess credit risk, detect fraud, and execute high-frequency trading strategies that can complete thousands of transactions in milliseconds. Navigation apps collect real-time data from millions of users to calculate the fastest route to your destination, constantly recalibrating as traffic conditions change. Online retailers track your browsing habits, purchase history, and even how long you linger on certain products to personalize your shopping experience and maximize the likelihood of a purchase. The healthcare industry increasingly relies on algorithms to diagnose diseases, predict patient outcomes, and develop treatment plans. Some algorithms can now detect certain cancers from medical images with accuracy rivaling or exceeding that of human specialists. This algorithmic influence extends beyond convenience into more consequential domains. Algorithms help determine college admissions, job applicant screenings, insurance premiums, and even criminal sentencing recommendations in some jurisdictions. These applications raise profound questions about fairness, transparency, and accountability. Despite their ubiquity, most algorithms operate as black boxes. Their inner workings remain proprietary secrets of the companies that develop them. This opacity creates a paradoxical situation where systems making increasingly important decisions about our lives function in ways we cannot fully understand or question. Algorithmic bias represents another significant concern. Algorithms learn from historical data, which often contains embedded societal biases. Without careful design and oversight, algorithms can perpetuate or even amplify these biases. Facial recognition systems have demonstrated lower accuracy for women and people with darker skin tones. Hiring algorithms have shown gender bias when trained on data from industries with historical gender imbalances. The filter bubble effect presents yet another challenge. As algorithms curate content based on our preferences, they can create echo chambers where we encounter only information that confirms our existing beliefs, potentially polarizing society and limiting exposure to diverse perspectives. Despite these concerns, algorithms offer tremendous benefits when designed thoughtfully. They can process vast amounts of information far beyond human capacity, identify patterns invisible to the naked eye, and perform complex calculations with perfect accuracy. The key lies in developing algorithms that are transparent, accountable, and aligned with human values. Understanding how algorithms shape our world empowers us to make more informed choices about the technology we use. By recognizing the invisible influence of algorithms in our daily lives, we can better navigate the increasingly complex digital landscape and advocate for algorithmic systems that serve humanity's best interests, rather than merely commercial objectives. Algorithms will continue to evolve, becoming more sophisticated and integrated into every aspect of society. The question is not whether algorithms will run our lives, but how we choose to design, regulate, and interact with these powerful tools that increasingly mediate our experience of reality.